Aló? 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 Ma che ne cazzo le chiudo del culo stasera? Chiamano e chiudono sul telefono. Allo? Allo? Allo?
Hello. I'm looking to speak to the lady of the house, please.
The lady da house. Che ne cazzo ti pensi che segno io? A donna di servizio. Quando tenia una donna di servizio, io rispondo al telefono. Scemo. A che ne va trovando? Who you looking for?
Good day, madam. My name is Jarut Nepal. I'm calling from American Express. I'm looking for Mrs. Parmigiano.
Oh, finally! You're the people for my Machine.mp4. My Machine.mp4 it's not been working for 3 months now. Manga come inside.
Manga gum inside. I am not knowing this man. Is he from our customer service?
Ma what's the matter with you? No understand English? Si cazzi pakistani venite qua non capiscete no cazzi niente. I said, manga gum inside. Understand?
Please, madam. You must calm down. I am not knowing this manga gum inside, but I will try to help you.
Calma tu cazzo. What is your name?
Ah, yes. My name is Jarut Nepal.
Jarut Nepal. Ma dove cazzo ha trovato su nome brutto porcaria? Mamma t'ha potuto dare un bello nome come Francesco. Senti qua. Jarut. Chiamiamo Jarut davvero. I buy a Machinetta Espresso from your company. It's looking very nice. I take it home. I make a caffè. Bello nice and nice. Tutta una volta. Big blow 'em up. No terremoto di caffè. Cannot believe it. Coffee it's go everywhere in my beautiful cucina. You cannot see my stove. It's a bit black with two caffè. 2 hours just to clean the big mess. And still it's not be clean. I take my macchinetta. I open them up. I see what's the problema. Cazzo di macchinetta. It's no have a gum inside. Understand me? Manga gum inside. You company should be paying me just po cazzo do tempo che c'ha voluto to clean my cucina. You be very lucky I don't have a donna di servizio like a comara congetta. Then it's a big money.
Madam, you must listen to me. I'm telling you, you must pay American Express $800 for transaction of 3 months ago at the Love Shack.
Just a minute. When you speak to me, shut up you. Fammi capire. I got a Macchinetta Espresso broken. 3 months I cannot make a caffè. Bella compagnia, vergognati. Big mess inside my cucina, my ceramic, it still not be clean. And you company make this a piece of this shit macchinetta che manga a gum inside. And now you like me to pay $800. You must be really fuck him up.
No, madam. I am trying to explain. The $800 is for the Love Shack. The Love Shack.
Quando cazzo di volta I say to you, I don't buy my Macchinetta Espresso a Love Shack. I buy a Gualimart. I pay $10. Maybe I change the price, ma it's never be $800. Manco fatto d'oro. When I buy my Macchinetta Espresso in Italy, puro che l'hai comprato di marocchini, I never have this problemi. You very funny people. Not just manga gum inside. Manga pure angono bolone inside.
Rosie, who are you talking to?
Help me! Thanks God you come over, Elisabetta. This man said to me I must pay $800, Elisabetta. You speak to him. This fucking Indiano no understand me.
Okay, give me the phone.
Jaruto, you speak with my friend. Explain it to her che cazzo conda mia.
Okay, I will talk to your friend.
Speak to you.
Hello? Hi, who am I speaking with?
Hello, my name is Jarut Nepal. I am working for American Express company, you know. Mrs. Parmigiano is very upset at me, but I am trying to explain to her that I have here a statement that $800 was charged to her card 3 months ago.
What is it?
To this date, no payment has been made. The charge comes from the Love Shack. I don't know what she is talking about when all she keeps saying to me is manga gum inside is broken.
What is it? What is Love Shack?
Okay, wait. What exactly is the Love Shack?
Oh, I'm a little embarrassed. It is a place where women take off their clothing, you know, a strip joint. Pretty lady take off her clothes for you and you pay $10 for every dance in a little room. Very, very nice. I'm liking it, but I've never been.
What is it? Che cazzo conta, Elisabetta?
Now
What
I
is it? What is it?
understand. Just give me a moment to explain to Mrs. Parmigiano what you just told me.
What is it? What is it?
Okay, Rosie, this guy is from American Express credit card. Okay? You have to pay $800.
Oh, my God.
For a strip joint. You know La Spogliarelli's?
Spogliarella, I never go.
No, 3 months ago, somebody used your card.
Fuoco mia, that's a biffezzo. Quando cazzo me n'ha combinato che ero cornoto mia? Fucking iffezzo, I swear to God that crossed my heart, I hope he die. Give me the phone, Elisabetta. Let me speak to Jarotto Camarrotti fucking i palle mo. Listen to me, Jarotto. Sandika, Fezzo he's a bit deportato all'Italia because he's a bit ding e dive. And when you like to have your money, you phone Fezzo all'Italia and rompi i palle to him and not to me. I don't go strip, I don't pay strip. Now fuck you and leave me alone and no phone me anymore. Che vengo là te buffalo, capito?